Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I wear many hats, and one of my hats is being a landlord, and I've been a landlord for quite some time. You can go to miguelsdocuments.com, miguelsdocuments.com. I sell landlord documents. I have the 3-day notice to comply or vacate letter, 21 cure or 30-day vacate letter, a bed bug letter, damaged property letter, failure to pay rent default letter, friendly reminder infraction letter, itemized security deposit deduction letter, lease termination, 1 and 2, different kind of versions. They're all Microsoft. You can edit to all of them. A monthly cleaning schedule, a notice of non-renewal lease form, rental application form, room for rent advertisement samples, room treatment letter, roommate lease, tenant screening, top questions to ask tenants. I also have a lease. All this can be gotten right directly at miguelsdocuments.com. Go to the top of the page that says catalog and look for the one that says landlord. I've been a landlord for 8 years. You can also ask me questions at a one-on-one consultation. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.